Hello there, welcome back to the new lecture. So in this lecture we have to discuss about hide and unhide command in Revit. So suppose here we have taken one architecture layout. Now suppose in this layout if you want to hide any object temporarily, so what you have to do? So we have a two option, okay? You can hide the object temporary also. Suppose if you want to hide permanent, that option is also available. So first here I will show you how to hide any object temporary. So suppose here we have placed the furniture layout here. Suppose I want to hide temporary this furniture layout or anything. So what you can do, select that element and that object from the drawing like this. I have selected with the help of control key. Okay, I want to hide this furniture layout. Now select that object from the drawing which you want to hide temporary, and in VCB view control bar you can see here you will get the option temporary hide or isolate. Hit on that. See, now here you will get the four option: isolate category, hide category, isolate element, hide element. So first I will show you, if from here if you are selecting hide element, so only that the object which you have selected, only that object will hide. Okay, that element will hide. Suppose if you are selecting hide category, so suppose in your project if same category object is available, so that object will also hide. Suppose first of all I am selecting hide element because I want to hide only the selected object. So hit on hide element. Now see, that furniture layout is hide temporary. Here you will get one rectangular box in the entire of your working window, and it is written here temporary hide. It means what? You have hide any object temporary, that is why they have given here. Okay, same way now I am pressing the control Z. Suppose I want to hide this furniture layout by category, so I have selected that object. Hit on this temporary hide or isolate. Here see hide category. Suppose if I am selecting from here hide category, so what happened, whatever in your complete in your entire project, if you have placed furniture layout of same category, that will also hide. So see, hit on hide category. Now see, both furniture layout is hide because it is of same category na? Okay, so in this way you have to hide any object temporary. Same way, suppose now if you want to hide this door, you don't want to see the door, select that door. From here come here and hit on hide element. See, the door is hide. Same way, if you want to hide that door, this window also, select this window, hit on that. Suppose I want to hide window by category, so select all window in your entire project, whatever window you have placed, that all window will hide like this. Okay, now okay, you have hide object temporary. Now if you want to unhide temporary hidden file, hidden object, so what you have to do? So for that you can use the shortcut also, HR. Okay, otherwise come here in VCB view control bar, just hit on this temporary hide or isolate option, and here you will get the option reset temporary hide or isolate object. Hit on that. Now see, all hidden object is now visible. Okay, now next option is also given here. Suppose I want to isolate any element. Isolate means what? Suppose in your complete layout, if you want to see only this exterior wall which you have created, so for that you have to use the isolate command. See, first from the layout select this exterior wall from the drawing. Okay, because I want to see only the exterior wall, that is why I have selected exterior wall. In VCB you have to hit on this temporary hide or isolate. Now what I am doing, I am using the isolate element. Which object you want to see in your drawing, so you have to select that object and use the isolate element. See, only that exterior wall is visible in your drawing, and everything which you have placed in the drawing, that all object will hide. Same way here, if you want to unhide, or so same you have to select, and here you will get the reset temporary hide or isolate object. Okay, you can also use that isolate category also. Suppose here I have selected this window, I want to see the window, all window which we have placed in the project, complete project. So I have selected any one of the window, hit on this temporary hide or isolate. Here now I am selecting, because I want to see in this layout, I want to see only the window. So I am selecting isolate category. Now see, all window which you have placed in your entire project, it is visible and everything is hide now. Same way if you want to unisolate, so here you can see reset temporary hide or isolate. Okay, in this way we have to use the temporary hide and unhide option. Now suppose if you want to hide any object from the drawing permanently, so what you have to do? Suppose you want to hide this furniture layout permanent, so just select that furniture layout from the drawing, modify tab, view panel. Here you will get the bulb icon. From here hit on drop down list. Now see, here also you will get the option. Only if you want to hide the selected object, you have to select the hide element. Suppose if you want to hide the object by category, so you have to select category from here. Okay, or you can hide the object by filtering also. That all option I will show you. First see, I want to hide only the selected object permanently, so hit on hide element. See, now the object is hidden permanently. Okay, now if you want to unhide permanent hidden file, so what you have to do? In VCB, view control bar, here you can see the bulb icon is shown. Hit on that bulb icon. Then from here you can see, from here you have to select the unhide, which object you want to unhide. So this object na, select that unhide object from the drawing. Then in VCB again you have to hit on bulb icon. Now see, 1 minute, one more time, hit on that, select that object which you want to unhide, and here you can see modify tab, reveal hidden element, unhide element is option is given, so hit on unhide element. Now again hit on bulb icon. Now see, the object is unhidden. Same thing, next is what? Suppose here I want to hide this furniture layout by category, so I have selected this, modify tab, view panel, in bulb icon you have to hit on hide by category. See, both furniture layout is hidden. Now if you want to unhide, so what we have to do? In VCB you have to hit on this bulb icon. Here you have to select this furniture layout like this, and then hit on unhide category from here, then hit on bulb icon again. See, now another option is given. Suppose I have selected the complete drawing from the here, and now I'm using modify tab, view panel. Here I'm using the hide by filter. Hit on that. That option is also available. You can use the filter or you can hide the object. Okay, so in this way we have to use the hide and unhide command in Revit. I hope all of you enjoy this session. See you in next one.